Scene script. Have you ever wondered why nerve pain feels different from other types of pain? What if your diet could help manage it? Let's dive into this intriguing topic. Nerve pain, also known as neuropathic pain, isn't your typical kind of ache. It's a distinct form of discomfort that arises from the nerves themselves, unlike other types of pain that come from damage to tissues in our body. This makes it a unique sensation that many describe as a burning, tingling, or shooting pain. It's not just the feeling that sets nerve pain apart, but also the causes. Conditions like diabetes, shingles, or even physical injuries can lead to nerve pain, making it a widespread issue. These unique characteristics of nerve pain mean it requires a distinctive approach for management. Medications, physical therapy, and other treatments are commonly used. However, what's often overlooked is the role of diet in managing nerve pain. Our diet can significantly influence our overall health, including the health of our nerves. Consuming a balanced diet rich in certain nutrients can help maintain nerve health and potentially alleviate nerve pain. For instance, vitamins B1, B6, B12, E, and niacin are all crucial for nerve function. Not getting enough of these can lead to nerve damage and consequently, nerve pain. Furthermore, inflammation is a common factor in many types of nerve pain. Thus, foods with anti-inflammatory properties can help by reducing inflammation and thereby relieving pain. Moreover, maintaining a healthy weight through a balanced diet can also reduce pressure on nerves, especially in conditions like sciatica or carpal tunnel syndrome. In essence, while diet alone cannot cure nerve pain, it can certainly play a significant role in managing it and improving quality of life. Now that we understand nerve pain better, we can explore how certain foods can help alleviate its symptoms. In the following scenes, we'll delve deeper into the world of nutrition and its connection to nerve pain. Stay tuned as we journey through leafy greens, fruits, whole grains, and the power of omega-3 fatty acids, all in the context of nerve pain management. Imagine easing your nerve pain by enjoying delicious, nutritious foods. Sounds good, right? Let's explore this possibility. Did you know that our diet plays a significant role in managing nerve pain? Yes, it's true. The food we consume can either alleviate or exacerbate the discomfort. Here's how. Our bodies are intricate systems, and inflammation is one of the ways they respond to harm or injury. However, chronic inflammation can be detrimental, especially to our nerves. Certain foods, particularly those high in refined sugars, unhealthy fats, and processed ingredients, can trigger inflammation, exacerbating nerve pain. On the other hand, foods known for their anti-inflammatory properties can help soothe the nerves. They work by reducing inflammation and, consequently, the pain associated with it. These foods are often rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, essential for nerve health and function. But there's more to it than just inflammation. A healthy diet also ensures we're getting a sufficient supply of nutrients necessary for nerve function. For instance, the B vitamins play a crucial role in nerve health, helping to create myelin, a protective coating around nerves. Without adequate myelin, nerves can't function properly, leading to nerve pain. Foods rich in B vitamins, such as whole grains and leafy greens, can help maintain healthy nerves and manage nerve pain. Similarly, our nerves need a steady supply of essential fatty acids to function optimally. Omega-3 fatty acids found in foods like fatty fish, flax seeds, and walnuts are particularly beneficial. They not only have potent anti-inflammatory properties, but also contribute to nerve health by improving nerve transmission and reducing nerve damage. The role of diet in nerve pain management is vast and varied. From fighting inflammation to supplying essential nutrients, the food we eat can significantly impact our nerve health and the pain we experience. So, the next time you're planning your meals, remember that the key to managing nerve pain might just be on your plate. By incorporating anti-inflammatory foods and those rich in essential nutrients, you can take a step towards better nerve health and pain management. Leafy green vegetables are not just for rabbits. They pack a punch when it comes to nerve health. Leafy greens are like the superheroes of the vegetable world. They're packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, all of which play a critical role in nerve health. Let's take a closer look. First off, leafy greens are a rich source of B vitamins, including folate, which is essential for nerve function and repair. When nerves are damaged, due to conditions like neuropathy, these vitamins can help to restore nerve health. But it doesn't stop there. Leafy greens are also loaded with magnesium, a mineral that plays a critical role in nerve impulse conduction. Without adequate magnesium, nerves can't send or receive signals properly, leading to symptoms like numbness, tingling, and pain. And let's not forget about the antioxidants. Leafy greens are loaded with these protective compounds, which can help to guard against oxidative damage, a key factor in nerve pain and dysfunction. Antioxidants like beta-carotene, found in spinach and kale, can help to protect nerve cells and reduce inflammation. Vegetables like kale, spinach, and collards are also high in alpha-lipoic acid, a fatty acid that's been shown to help reduce symptoms of peripheral neuropathy, a condition that causes nerve pain in the hands and feet. So, how can you incorporate more leafy greens into your diet? Well, the options are endless. Toss a handful of spinach into your morning smoothie, make a big salad for lunch, or stir-fry some kale for dinner. You can even snack on dehydrated kale chips for a crunchy, nerve-healthy treat. And remember, when it comes to leafy greens, the darker, the better. Dark leafy greens like spinach and kale have higher nutrient content than their lighter counterparts, like iceberg lettuce. So, aim for the dark stuff whenever possible. Next time you make a salad, remember you're not just eating greens, you're feeding your nerves. Fruit isn't just nature's candy. It's also a potent weapon against nerve pain. Fruits are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals which can help reduce inflammation, a common cause of nerve pain. But how does this work, you might ask? Firstly, let's take a look at berries. Berries, specifically blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries, are rich in antioxidants known as anthocyanins. These powerful compounds can combat inflammation and oxidative stress, which can damage your nerves and lead to pain. Next, we have cherries. Both tart and sweet cherries are known for their anti-inflammatory properties. They contain compounds called anthocyanins, which are potent antioxidants. These compounds can reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, helping to alleviate nerve pain. Now let's turn to oranges. Oranges and citrus fruits in general are high in vitamin C, a potent antioxidant. This vitamin can help reduce inflammation in the body, which can consequently alleviate nerve pain. Plus, oranges are also a good source of the B vitamin folate, which is essential for nerve function. Pineapples are another fruit to add to your diet if you're dealing with nerve pain. They contain an enzyme called bromelain, which has strong anti-inflammatory properties. Bromelain can reduce inflammation and swelling, helping to alleviate nerve pain. Last but not least, we have the delicious avocado. While technically a fruit, avocados are often thought of as a vegetable. They're packed with healthy fats, which can reduce inflammation. Plus, they're high in vitamin B6 and magnesium, both of which are essential for nerve health. So there you have it. Whether you're a fan of berries, cherries, oranges, pineapples, or avocados, including these fruits in your diet can help manage nerve pain. They're not just tasty, but they're also packed with nutrients that can combat inflammation and support nerve health. Remember, a healthy diet is just one part of managing nerve pain. It's also important to maintain an active lifestyle, get plenty of rest, and consult with your healthcare provider for personalized advice. Eating fruit isn't just delicious, it's a tasty way to combat nerve pain. Whole grains are not just for breakfast anymore, they're a powerful ally in the fight against nerve pain. These dietary champions are packed with essential nutrients like fiber, protein, B vitamins, antioxidants, and trace minerals like iron, zinc, copper, and magnesium. They are a source of complex carbohydrates, which provide us with sustained energy without causing spikes in our blood sugar levels. The high fiber content in whole grains aids in maintaining a healthy digestive system, and it also plays a pivotal role in nerve function. It helps to manage blood sugar levels, thus reducing the risk of nerve damage caused by diabetes. The B vitamins found abundantly in whole grains are essential for a healthy nervous system, aiding in the production of key neurotransmitters. Whole grains like brown rice, oatmeal, whole grain bread, and quinoa are not just tasty, but also tremendously beneficial for your nerve health. So, next time you're in the grocery store, don't forget to load up on whole grains. Omega-3 fatty acids are not just good for your heart, they're great for your nerves too. These essential fats, found in abundance in fish like salmon and mackerel, as well as in flax seeds and walnuts, are a key component of your nerve cells. They help to build the myelin sheath, a protective layer that covers your nerve fibers, allowing them to conduct electrical signals efficiently. Omega-3s also have incredible anti-inflammatory properties. They can help to reduce inflammation in your nerves, which is often a significant cause of nerve pain. By incorporating omega-3 rich foods into your diet or taking a high-quality supplement, you can support your nerve health and potentially lessen the severity of nerve pain. In addition to nerve health, these fats are also crucial for brain function and heart health, and they can even boost your mood. So it's a win-win situation. Remember, when it comes to nerve pain, omega-3s are your friends. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And hey, the conversation doesn't end here. Check out our other videos on improving your nervous system and easing nerve pain. Until next time, keep it plant-based and stay healthy. Don't forget to let us know in the comments if you've added more fruits and leafy vegetables to your diet. See you in the next video. 1201, host. And remember, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated with all our delicious content. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next episode.